In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at constructor methods inside a class. So here in our previous lecture, we covered how to create an instance of a class and how to create a class with sample attributes like name and address. Now in this one, we'll be exploring how we can create a constructor in a class. So here we have the same student class, and you will notice a special method over here that's _init and then certain parameters as part of that method, like self, and then the attributes of that particular class like name and address. So here self.name equals this name that is being passed, and self.address is the address that is being passed over here. And then we have our usual getName and getAddress method. Now here, when we are creating an instance of a class student, we are passing these two parameters, namely John and USA. You'll notice there's no need to pass something for self. So you just need to pass the other two parameters that are required, name and address. So here John and USA. Now when I run this one, you'll notice the output coming as John and USA over here. There are times when you have a large number of attributes in a class, and providing them in this way will consume a lot of time. So to save that, we can make use of keyword arguments, and here we can make use of keyword arguments in this way. So now you don't have to pass John and USA like this. You can do it in this way. Name is equal to John and address is equal to USA. This way you will notice that it is more readable. We know what parameter we are passing, like name as John and address as USA. Now if we want to ensure that a default value is always assigned to a given attribute, we can do that as well by using something like this. So we can say if name in KW arguments, then whatever name is there, that will be assigned to name. Otherwise, let's change it to Matt over here and save it. Now if I don't pass name attribute and just the address, let's see what gets printed when I run this. You'll notice Matt and USA is being printed because that is the default value we are passing when name is not provided. So that's how easy it is to have a constructor in a class and use it when creating an instance of a class, as shown in this example.